Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace this tiny part that has a really big job. This is a filter ball and goes in this GE dishwasher. I'm going to show you what it does and how to replace it. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The diverter assembly and filter ball work together to control which spray arm receives water during the dishwasher cycle. When the wash pump starts, water initially flows to both the lower spray arm and the main conduit. As pressure builds, the filter ball moves into place to block the main conduit so water can flow into the lower spray arm. The main pump then pauses briefly. The water in the main conduit backflows, pushing the filter ball to seal off the lower spray arm instead. When the pump restarts, pressure routes the water through the main conduit to the upper spray arms. After a longer pause, the filter ball returns to the home position and the process repeats throughout the cycle. You may need to replace the filter ball if the dishwasher is not switching spraying zones, causing a poor cleaning performance. A damaged or misshapen filter ball can prevent the water from routing correctly between the spray arms. If you need to purchase a replacement filter ball for your GE dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Tools needed for this repair: a 1/4-inch nut driver or socket. To replace the filter ball, first we need to remove the main conduit assembly to access the diverter assembly where the filter ball operates. First, open the dishwasher's door and pull out and remove the top rack. To remove the top rack, lift the rack slightly to clear the front rollers, then pull it forward so that the rear rollers reach the end of the slides. Lift the rack out and set it upside down on a flat surface to prevent damaging the spray arm. Pull out and remove the bottom rack and place it aside. To remove the main conduit assembly, first remove the 1/4-inch fastener from the mid-conduit docking port. It is normal for some models to only have one fastener holding the docking port to the tub. Remove the other 1/4-inch fastener holding the main conduit to the top of the dishwasher's tub near the spray impeller. The main conduit should now be loose and disconnected from the tub. Rotate the top of the conduit towards the opening in the dishwasher while pulling the bottom of the conduit out from the diverter assembly. The main conduit should now be free from the appliance. The lower spray arm is attached through a connector that twists onto the diverter assembly. Rotate the connector a 1/4 turn counterclockwise and pull the spray arm and set it aside. After the main conduit is removed, locate and press the locking tab on the diverter assembly. While holding the tab, rotate the diverter assembly counterclockwise a 1/4 turn. Remove the diverter and dispose of the old filter ball. If you need a replacement filter ball, avoid cheap, low-quality aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones we sell at partsdoctor.com. We'll include a link in the description below. Be sure to search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact part. Before installing the new filter ball, make sure the diverter area is clean. Pay close attention to the lip where the diverter seal sits and remove any buildup. Inspect the diverter assembly for any signs of damage, especially the diverter seal. This seal is not sold separately, so if it's damaged or missing, the entire diverter assembly will need to be replaced. Once the area is clean and the diverter assembly has been inspected, place the filter ball into the hole in the sump. Place the diverter over the filter ball with the large exit port at the 10 o'clock position. After the diverter is fully seated in the pump, rotate the assembly clockwise until the tab locks into place. The exit port should now be in the 12 o'clock position. Before installing the main conduit assembly, check the entire conduit channel for blockages, cracks, or holes. A damaged or blocked conduit can prevent water from traveling through the conduit to the spray arms. Be sure the docking port is in good working order and free of buildup or debris. To check the top spray impeller, release the clips on the spray impeller hub from the tabs on the conduit. The spray impeller should be free of damage and spin freely on the small spindle inside the impeller hub. When reassembled, the 3 water channels of the impeller should be facing up. Be sure the impeller hub tabs are in good working order and hold the impeller in place. If you need to replace or want more information on these components, check out our replacement videos for the top spray impeller, impeller hub, or main conduit assembly for a full breakdown on each part. Once you confirm that the conduit and impeller are in good working order, slide the conduit assembly into the diverter assembly and rotate the conduit until it's against the back wall of the tub. Align the mid-conduit docking port to the mounting tabs on the back wall, and the top of the conduit to the mounting tab on the top of the tub. Once the conduit is in place, replace the fastener on the mid-conduit docking port and the fastener next to the top spray impeller. Do not over-tighten the fasteners as you can strip out the screw mounts. Replace the upper and lower racks, close the door, and your dishwasher is now ready to use. Alright, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.